Do you want to build the online business of your dreams? This priceless 30-day sales funnel challenge gives you live training, coaching, accountability, and will help you do it really fast. But first, let me quickly tell you my story with my experience. And if you stay until the very end of this video, I'm going to give you a really special bonus worth $400. So, there I was as a new online marketer trying to make some money online. So basically what I did at the time is I started a blog about technology, and I decided to put ads for Google and ads for Amazon on the website. And at the time, I was making a few dollars a day. I would get a check for about $100 every 2 to 3 months. And that was, decent at the time for me to have a little bit of side cash. But it honestly wasn't enough. Some days I made no money. And as well, eventually Google started to ban some of my posts from being able to have ads shown on them. So my ad revenue dropped significantly, which basically killed my side income. I kind of got really lucky because I saw on my Facebook, one of my friends, Catlin, posted about a 30-day challenge about how you can build irresistible offers and sell them online with a sales funnel, even if you don't have a product or service. And it included live training and coaching. So when I signed up and I went through that, I instantly had tons of different ideas on how to make more money online without relying on, just ad sources or, these kind of income sources that I could not control. Because basically I realized that what I had learned in the challenge, I, could generate income online and could do it over and over again with different products and services, even those that are not mine. So my plan was to start creating an offer for an affiliate product for online marketers. So I started publishing on YouTube and Facebook information related to marketing. And I didn't just stop there. I then started getting people who were consuming my content to opt in for my email list. And then I started trying to sell to those people. And eventually, people started buying. So building on that success, I decided that I really needed to, share this with more people. Especially those who were kind of in that position that I was in, kind of struggling. And this challenge, it's called the One Funnel Away Challenge. So after doing the One Funnel Away Challenge, I can now see $200 to $400 coming in every single week. And that literally used to take me 5 or 6 months to make. And so now I can use that to pay down my debts. I get to buy like fancy new gadgets, and it even allows me to do more activities when I go away on vacation. And so that's why I'm super excited to share this with you so that you can get these kind of results too. And as a special bonus for clicking on my link in the description below and using my link to sign up for the challenge, I wanted to offer you an extra $400 worth of training resources and support for free. Because I've taken the challenge and I know what they teach, and I know there are some areas that could use a little bit of improvement. Especially when it comes to driving traffic. So they don't really dive too deep on how to optimize the free methods or even how to scale using paid ads. So I want to give you my SEO crash course and my profitable Facebook ads course, as well as access to my private marketing support group. So all I need to do is, to get my $400 worth of free bonuses is click on the link in the description of this video. On the next page, enter your email so that I can send you an email So you have my email address. Then after that, I'll send you to register for the challenge. Just pay the $100 to sign up. When you do that, you'll get all of their bonuses, which is worth $3,000. Plus, you'll be able to take your screenshot of your payment, email it back to me, and then I will send you the links to all of the extra bonuses worth an extra $400. And I can't wait to see all of you inside the Facebook group, as well as the One Funnel Away challenge. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.